Hello students, today we are going to study laws of exponents. Law 1. Multiplying powers with the same base. Here, let x be any rational number and positive integers, then x raised to m into n is equal to x raised to m plus n. Means if bases are same and they are multiplied, then powers are always added. You can see in this example 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 5 plus 7, that is 3 raised to 12. This is the first law. You have to write this line in your notebook. Now let us come to law 2. Finding a power of a rational number means power of a power. Like in general, for rational number x, if m and n are positive integers, then x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to mn. That means if one base has power and then again a double power, then these two powers are multiplied. See here, like 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 3, then ultimately 2 raised to these two powers will be multiplied 5 into 3. So 2 raised to 15 will be your answer. This is law 2. This line you have to write in your notebook. Now let us come to law 3. Finding the power of a product of rational numbers. For all rational numbers x and y, if m is a positive integer, then xy raised to m is equal to x raised to m into y raised to m. This represents that if there are two integers having the same power, then we can break these integers and divide the powers into give the power to every integer. Like if it is 5 into 3 raised to 4, means there are two bases 5 and 3 and the common power 4, then we can write it as 5 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4, means the power 4 belongs to each and every number inside the bracket. So in this you have to write this line in your notebook. Now let us come to law 4. Finding quotients of powers of the same base. Now we come to the quotient. For all non-zero rational numbers x and all positive integers m and n, see, there are three conditions. If m is equal to n, means x raised to m upon x raised to n. If these two are same, then definitely we will cancel it and we will get the answer 1. If m is greater than n, means power of numerator is greater than the power of denominator. In case of division, we have to subtract the powers x raised to m minus n. And in case if m is less than n, like if the power of numerator is smaller, then this subtraction we will do in denominator, means 1 upon x raised to n minus n. This is law 4. This whole statement you have to write in your notebook in law 4. Now let us see law 5. Finding power of a quotient. For any rational number x and y where y not equal to 0, any positive integer n, x upon y raised to n, means x upon y whole raised to n, we can break it again as x raised to n upon y n. Matlab this power n belongs to x also and this to y also. We can write like this. And there is an important point, zero exponent. Zero exponent means if anything is having power 0. Here this statement you have to write, let a be any non-zero rational number and let n be any positive integer, then a raised to 0 means 1. This is called the zero exponent. Means if any number is having power 0, then this is definitely directly equal to 1. Okay, this is called the zero exponent, and 0 raised to 0 is not defined.